family, this is a very long awaited video. A lot of you guys been asking about my skincare routine. It is just so simple. I didn't find it to be too important, but with all the messages I keep getting, I just decided to film it for you guys. My skincare routine to me is very simple. I have a morning skincare routine. I have a evening skincare routine. I have a skincare routine when I wear makeup, which is extreme. And then I also have a once a week, which I now call my Pamper Sunday skincare routine, which I just pamper myself, my face, my body, just relax myself and just take care of my skin. Today I want to put a little bit of pencil on my eyebrows, so I'm just going to clean that out. And then some lip gloss, which I'm also just going to clean out. And that was all I wore today. I didn't put anything on my face, so this is my bare face. When I do not wear makeup, my skincare routine is very simple. First of all, I'm just going to go in with my vitamin C cleanser. This is also, it tone your face, it's soothing, it's detoxifying, brightening, and pore minimizing. This is very gentle. I feel I have a sensitive skin, a little bit of oily and a little bit of dry skin. My skin sometimes it's just changed. I mean, during the harsh weather, my skin become very dry. During the summertime, my skin become oily but not over oily. So I cannot really say if I have an oily skin or I have a dry skin. It's just in between. And I find this vitamin C cleanser to be very gentle. I mean, it doesn't burn my skin. So what I'm going to do is first just splash some water on my face. And I want to just put some water on my face first. And then after, I just put like 1-2 pumps of that. And then I spray it all over my face. And then I take my little pad. I'm just going to wet this. And the remaining one that I have on my hand, I just add it to my pad. And then I just gently clean my face. Now when I'm in the shower, I do this. But since I'm filming this video for you guys, I'm going to do this pad. And then I'm going to jump in the shower, take my shower. At that time, my face have calmed down a bit. And then I'll come back for us to do my toning section and the next step in my face routine. And when after rinsing this from my face, I have a special towel for my face. I use this towel only for my face, and I use it for 2 days. The next day I throw it out. So after doing this, I then jump into the shower, take my shower, and come back to do my toning. So I'm gonna see you guys back here after 20 minutes. Okay, so I am back. I'm done with my shower. The next step in my face routine is going in with my toner. Now I'm going in with this Witch Hazer facial toner. This is from Dr. Tears. This is very gentle. Even when I just wash my face and apply this to my face, I don't have any burning sensation, which I love. It also has rose water in it. It is certified organic, non-drying, non-alcohol. So I normally just put some on my pad, and then I just apply it all over my face. If you have very sensitive skin, this is really great. And when I'm applying this on my face, what I love to do is wash my face first, give it a little bit of time, few minutes, then come back and apply my toner so that I don't have any tingling sensation. I don't have any burning because I love pains. I don't love no tingling pains on my face. So normally when I apply my toner, I will also wait for like 5 to 10 minutes, get ready for bed, and then I will come back and apply my serum. And I also just love to go this way with my face. Sometimes I forget to do it, and then also just go upward. My face to rest for 5 minutes. I am back. I'm now just going to apply my face serum. I'm almost out of it, so I'm just going to put some on my fingertip. Normally I just put it on my face, but I'm not getting it into the tube. And then I also just put it down my neck. And I also just lift. Looking a little bit silly where I do lift my face up. Not too rough. I'm a little bit gentle with it. And then I also do it with my forehead. I'm going to leave this for another 5 minutes and I will come back for us to apply our moisturizer. After our serum, I'm going in with my moisturizer. I'm using Pond's, and this is their dark spot correcting cream with vitamin B3 and C. I normally just put it on the tip of my finger and just pat it in. And then also put it on my neck. After, I'm just gonna work that in. When it comes to my forehead, I love to pull it up because I don't want wrinkles coming in. And I love to carry it this way continuously. The second to the last, but not the last, this is our Merlin Number eye cream. And I'm gonna just put it on my eye. And I'm just going to blend that in. I put a little bit too much. It's okay. Blend, 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 blend. Blending that in, the last part of my skincare routine. This one, I have to be honest, I really don't use this every night. I use it when I remember, maybe once a week, twice a week. So this is my J Ruler. I just go like this. I go one way with it. Last thing is my lips. And I got my lip gloss and I just put it on. This is my entire nighttime skincare routine. It looks a lot, but when you're doing this behind camera, it goes so fast and I don't even notice it. And this is how I keep my skin feeling so beautiful. Okay, family, if you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I will leave a comment down below and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.